Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the avatar video feature inside CapCut's desktop AI video maker.
We're incredibly passionate about helping our clients grow, stay visible, and reach the right audience. You'll be seeing me in more of our videos as we break down tools, tips, and strategies to help you elevate your brand and get better results.
This tool is perfect if you want fast, professional videos without being on the camera. Whether you're creating tutorials, ads, or social content, you can generate talking avatars, customize the voice, generate a script, or use your script, and just change the style of the video with further edits in CapCut, which is a huge benefit. So I'm going to show you how it works, and you'll see how it's one of the easiest ways to speed up video content creation using AI to be able to create professional content. So if you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner looking to grow your visibility, strengthen your brand, and turn attention into real ROI, you're in the right place. Stay tuned, watch all our other CapCut AI feature videos to learn how to use AI in CapCut. But for now, let's focus on the avatar and let's dive in. All right, here we are. And so the very first thing that you want to do is make sure you go to CapCut.com. That is where we are using this feature. It's the desktop browser version. And of course, you want to create an account. And once you've created your account, you log in. Now, once you log in, to get to this part where it shows the AI video maker, you want to go to free AI video maker right here under the AI tools. As you can see, once you click that, it takes you straight to this page where you could see all the other features you could use. But what our focus on right now is the avatar video. So I'm going to select that. Now, once you select that, as you can see, the prompt box opens up to the right here. And this is where you could create your avatar apparently in the future. As you can see, this feature is coming soon. You'd be able to create your own avatar. But right now, they already have avatars that you could use. And the idea is that you could go find an avatar that suits your brand, it suits your business, or suits the purpose for your content creation that you need it for. So right now, as you can see here, they have all these avatars here under different categories. You have educational, you have spiritual, you have lifestyle, you have professional, news, you have advertising, and it keeps going. Fun, fitness, general. So you have all these to choose out of. And again, the idea is to find one that matches what your purpose is. So if I were to choose professional here, let's say we wanted to create content, letting our audience know that, hey, we now actually have an AI avatar spokesperson that's going to be giving you tips, right? One of the things you could do is actually use one of these professional avatars for that. So you have the two options of generating the script or entering your script. So in this instance, we're just going to enter our script because I have a script here to suit that purpose. And so I'll paste it right here. And it says, hi, I'm here to share the updates and insights on behalf of the company. We're incredibly passionate about helping our clients grow, stay visible, and reach the right audience. You'll be seeing me in more of our videos as we break down tools, tips, and strategies to help you elevate your brand and get better results. And then what we then want to do is choose the right avatar by listening to their voice. So once I select the avatar here, as you can see, the voice changes here, Hazel Marketing. So I'm going to play it in any of these selected voices. So let's try Lady Holiday.
Welcome to creating voiceover.
So in this instance, if we chose Hazel and Lady Holiday, that would be the voice you'd be seeing with Hazel's mouth moving. Let's hear the persuasive girl, since this is a marketing video.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Well, there you have that. Now, excited commentator.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Well, that's a male. Sharp diva.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Wow. So you can see a lot of them have the tones in them, and you could keep going.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
As you can see, different accents.
To creating voiceovers.
ASMR. Let's check out Katie White.
Welcome to creating
So as you can see, you have all these options that you could pick. And I still like the Lady Holiday.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
So we're going to pick her. And now let's see what happens. As you can see, you get to see the percentage at which your video is rendering. You see exactly what it's doing here, where it's splitting the script, creating the voiceover, and then applying the avatar. So it gives you an idea on how long this render is going to take and what it's taking. And there you have it. So as you can see here, we have our script right to the left here. We have our avatar to the right here. We actually have our captions also here, which is pretty cool. So now I'm going to play the video.
Hi, I'm here to share updates and insights on behalf of the company. We're incredibly passionate about helping our clients grow, stay visible, and reach the right audience. You'll be seeing me in more of our videos as we break down tools, tips, and strategies to help you elevate your brand and get better results.
Now, as you can see, that totally was not the holiday voice, which it was sort of what it looked like we were picking. This actually picks the avatar's voice. So I am not too sure that the voice that you pick is actually what's gonna come out there, but that's something to look towards because as you guys saw, we actually picked the holiday lady, and maybe that's the holiday lady's voice. I'm not just too sure, but something to take note of. Now, the beauty of it is you get to see this is a 9x16 because that's what we chose. If you want to make it bigger, you select that, you could play it.
I'm here to share updates and insights on behalf of the company. We're incredibly passionate about helping our clients grow, stay visible, and reach the right audience. You'll be seeing me in more of our videos as we break down tools, tips, and strategies to help you elevate your brand and get better results.
Now, I must say, this is a very good render. The mouth movement, the way she's pointing, I mean, it makes it look really, really cool. And I'm saying this for the fact that I've used a lot of AI video tools and seen the renders when it comes to the mouth movement. But look at how professional that is. And so I just can't wait when you will be able to generate your own avatar, how exactly it's going to look, because when it comes to the mouth movement, the actions, this is really, really on point, as you could see. Now, the beauty of this too is that once you're done, you can go edit more in CapCut if you choose to, or you can export the video and you're good to go. Also, as you can see here, you have the opportunity to change the script, and you'll notice that when that shift happens, the script changes. So you see here, it's starting now from "we're incredibly" instead of "hi, I'm there," because I moved it right here. So you'll see.
We're incredibly passionate about helping our clients grow, stay visible, and reach the right audience. Hi, I'm here to share updates and insights.
So you see that you have that opportunity to be able to move your clips around like that, which is huge. Now, if you go to the Scenes tab, as you can see, you have other avatars that you can actually replace for all the scenes that you have over here. So if I were to choose another avatar here and click Replace, Regenerate Voiceover for all scenes, the current voiceover will be replaced. You go Continue. You start to see it at the bottom saying Apply an avatar. It might take about 1 minute. And what's going on now is it's choosing another avatar to read the script, giving you a timeline of exactly when you can expect and at what rate it's happening. And again, like this is for free. Like we're doing this all for free. Let's see what we got now.
Hi, I'm here to share updates and insights on behalf of the company. We're incredibly passionate about helping our clients grow, stay visible, and reach the right audience. You'll be seeing me in more of our videos as we break down tools, tips, and strategies to help you elevate your brand and get better results.
So as you can see, I think, yeah, the voices match the avatars. So we could totally be settled on that. But as you can see, we just changed it like that. And if I just wanted to go back and click undo, see, I got her back right there. Just by going back up here, you could redo and you have this new avatar that you picked to replace the old one. And if you go, no, you know what, I'm good, I prefer the old one, go right back and you have her still here with the voice that she had.
Hi, I'm here to share updates and insights on behalf of the company.
So this lets you know easily how you could use this tool. And again, when you're done, you could simply go, I'm exporting it, and you share it. It goes into your computer as a saved file that you name it here. Or if you want to edit more, you simply click edit more there, and it goes into your timeline where you have all the opportunities to even edit further as you want. But that's how you can use the avatar video feature in CapCut to create amazing videos that actually are professional looking, that could represent your brand, that could give you the opportunity to not always be on camera, but to still have a video going out there representing your business and keeping your content consistent when it comes to posts, which leads to more visibility, more engagement, and eventually more ROI. So I hope this was helpful. If it is, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Feel free to check out all our other CapCut AI videos that we've created. Until the next one, take care.